Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. Today you will be seeing two tutorials. This is Peony wet on wet and the other one is stroke rose. So this is a very easy and beautiful painting technique. If you are doing same technique on cloth, then apply medium number 1 on the cloth. Then do this shading. Those interested in learning online professional courses can contact me. My details are in this video and below this video in description. You can see my website link for more information. I have basic and advanced courses starting from 1000 onwards. I have freehand painting course book with notes and techniques in black and white of 65 pages. Those interested can buy. I take order works and teach online professional courses, freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers or regular flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and many more. After wet on wet technique, I am applying 3D Frolica for highlighting the flower. These are my details and I have many courses. Those interested can join. Now the other technique of freehand stroke work. This is a stroke rose, fish rose. You can take 6 number round brush or 8 number round brush, whichever is available. You can paint these two designs for saree borders and you can paint these designs on dresses and tops. They look very beautiful. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and art techniques and tutorials. Keep watching. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.